Welcome students. Continuing with our chapter Understanding Shapes. We are on the first exercise. Okay, question number 5 in front of you. Let's read this question. If two supplementary angles, what do you mean by supplementary angles? What do you mean by this word supplementary angles? Let me once again recap the facts what we have already completed. If sum of two angles, if sum of two angles is 180 degree, we call the given two angles as supplementary angles. If the sum of given two angles is 180 degree, okay, if the sum of given two angles is 180 degree, we call the given two angles as supplementary angles. So whenever we speak about pair of angles, two angles, and if their sum is 180 degree, we call the given two angles as supplementary angles. So if two supplementary angles means the addition of those two angles will be 180 degree, are in the ratio, okay, are in the ratio of 11:9, find the angles, okay. Now how to start with this thing? I'll say let the required two angles be A and B. Let's name it out, okay. Let the required two angles be angle A and angle B. This was a short explanation given by me, okay. Let the required two angles be angle A and angle B, okay. From here I started with my solution, okay students. Okay, now let's read. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 11:9, so I have explained you this plenty of times that whenever ratios are given, this does not mean that angle A ki value is 11 and angle B ki value is 9. Yes, ratios are always the reduced forms, okay. If it's given to us that age of father is F for father, age of father is 75 years, and age of son, S for son, age of son for example is 15 years, and if I find the ratio, means father upon son, this will be 75 upon 15. Understanding please? So 5 3s is 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 3 1s are 3 5s are, and a ratio becomes 5:1. So father is to son ka ratio is 5:1. So now will you say father is of 5 years of age and son is of 1 year of age? Of course not. So whenever ratios are given, they are the reduced forms. They are not the exact values. Understand please. So 11 and 9 cannot be said as 11, the angle A ki value is 9 and angle B ki value is 9. No. So whenever we have ratios, what we say, let the common multiple be x. Okay. So see, I am writing over here. If the two supplementary angles are in the 11:9, so ratio of given angles is 11:9. Let the common multiple be x. Let the common multiple be x. Therefore, the given two angles will be, therefore, angle A. We have considered the two angles as angle A and angle B. Therefore, angle A will be 11x and angle B will be how much? 9x. That's it. Okay. Now, as per the given condition, if the two supplementary angles, listen here carefully, here the word supplementary was mentioned. What are supplementary angles? If the sum of the given two angles is 180 degree, then we call the given two angles as supplementary angles. So if the addition of the given two angles is 180 degree, then only they are called as supplementary, and it's given to us that they are supplementary. So as per given condition, given condition, what I will do, I'll add angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, value of angle A is 11x. 11x. Value of angle B is 9x. 9x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 11 plus 9 is 20x. 20x is equal to 180 degree. 0, 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Therefore, x ka value will be 9. Will this be my final answer? Of course not. If you stop here, your 2 marks will be deducted, because they have asked you find the angles. What are the angles? Our angles are this one, 11x and 9x. So it's compulsory that we need to find the individual values. Therefore angle A is equal to 11x. 11 as it is. At the place of x, I'll put 9 is equal to 99 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 99 degree. Next, angle B. Angle B is how much? 9x. So 9x. At the place of x, I'll put 9. 9 9s will be 81. Therefore angle B will be 81 degrees. How can you recheck your answer whether it is correct or wrong? 99 plus 81. If you do, it will be 180 degree. And it's given, the given two angles are supplementary. Okay, students. Now whatever I have written here on the right hand side was not the part of the question. You don't have to write these two things in the exam, but of course do copy it in your notebooks. Okay, these are the concepts. It will be helpful for you. Please pause the video and complete it first. Okay, students, now this is very important, a mind map for you all, a revision session. Okay, and understand please carefully. Let's revise the basic concepts on which the entire geometry is based on. Okay, so of course I will not be writing everything over here. I have already explained you many things from here. Fine. So let's quickly revise. It's like a mind map for us. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If addition of two angles is 90 degree, we say the given two angles as complementary angles. I repeat again. If I have two angles and if addition of those two angles is equal to 90 degree, then we say the given two angles are complementary angles. Okay, now I have a diagram for you, just a random diagram. Now can you all tell me which angles are complementary angles? Complementary angles are such that unka addition should be 90 degree. Can I say, students, can I say, see here please, all of you see here, understand this. A box is made. We never write 90 degree in the diagram. This box means what? This box always means that it's 90 degree. That means angle COB is 90 degree. Okay. Now students, tell me one thing. We have learned one fact. Which I have written over here with the black color. Please see my pen. Sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So can I say, students, over here, this is a straight line for me. This AOB is a straight line for me. This COD is also a straight line for me. So if, see my hand please, if this is my straight line, okay, this is 90 degree. So can I say sum of all the angles, listen, see the pen, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Here there are two angles, one is COB and other is DOB. This is 90, so this also has to be 90, because 90 plus 90 only becomes 180. So that means here also I will mark like this a rectangle, a box which represents 90 degree. Similarly, students, see here, if I keep my hand over here, this angle is angle BOD, this is 90 degree. Now this AB is a straight line. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So AOD plus BOD will be also 180 degree. If this is 90, this has to be 90 degree, students. Okay, so students, now this also becomes 90 degree. So now, okay, now I'll keep my hand over here, please. I'll keep my hand over here. This, see this line AB, see this line AB, please. AB is a straight line. So if COB is 90 degree, then COA has to be 90 degree, because sum of the two angles has to be 180 degree on a straight line. Understanding please? So this will be also, I'll also make a box over here. This will also be 90 degree. 90, 90, 90, 90. This will be the scenario. Okay. Now students, first what we were doing, complementary angles. the sum of two angles should be 90 degree. It's clearly seen here. Please see here, I'm marking two tick marks over here. Can I say this and this? Angle AOP plus angle POC is equal to 90 degree. Sum of two angles, दो एंगल को ऐड करके 90 आना चाहिए. So AOP and POC are complementary angles. Of course, you can write the name like this also. COP also you can write, or POA also you can write. So which are complementary angles? Let me write over here. Complementary angles are AOP and COP. Angle AOP and angle COP. Okay, and angle COP. These are complementary angles. Okay, now let's revise the concept of supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? It's exactly same definition as complementary angles, but here comes 180 degree. If addition of two angles is 180 degree, then the given two angles are said to be supplementary angles. I repeat again, if two angles are given and unka addition, if the addition of those two angles is 180 degree, then we call the given two angles as supplementary angles. Now tell me, students, which are supplementary angles over here? Can I say, students, please see here, angle AOC plus angle BOC. This is 90, this is 90. So AOC plus BOC is 180 degree. Similarly, AOD plus BOD is also 180 degree. Okay, this is 90, this is 90. So this entire angle AOC plus BOD, the addition of this two angle will be 180 degree. AOD, this angle, plus BOD, this angle, addition of these two angles will also be 180 degree. There are other pairs also. If I keep my hand over here, COB plus DOB, this is 90, this is 90, so addition is 180 degree. Similarly here also, AOC plus DOA is also 180 degree. Okay, so there are four pairs over here. Okay, so let me write all of you the first pair. I'll write the first pair over here. AOC plus BOD, both are 90-90, so becomes 180 degree. And when addition of two angles is 180 degree, we say the given two angles are supplementary angles. So angle AOC and angle BOC, this is the first pair. Second now, AOD and BOD. AOD and angle BOD. Third, I can, if I keep my hand over here, COB and DOB. This two addition is 180 degree, so these two angles can also be termed as supplementary angles. COB plus DOB, and the fourth one will be this. If I keep my hand like this, AOC and DOA. These are supplementary angles. Next, students, now I will say this property which I have written with here over is exactly same. They both are exactly same. Sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degree. They both are related to each other. Okay, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. I'll just highlight over here. If I, please see here, if I underline this red line, this with the red color, can you see this straight line? I'm underlining it with the red color. Okay, now how many angles can you see on this, on the top? First, second and third. Okay, first, second and third. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Similarly down, I have only two angles, so this plus this is 180 degree. Okay, but I'll write only one now, only one thing. I know there are others, many possible. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 all lies on the same straight line, so the addition will be 180 degree. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So angle 1, its name is AOP. Angle AOP plus angle POC plus angle BOC, so 180 degree. property, addition of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Many others are also possible. If I keep a hand over here, so this plus this plus this is also 180 degree because it's a straight line, but I'm not writing it over here. Now comes the concept of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. For that, students, here I have drawn this PO, right? Okay, let me do another construction over here. With the blue color, I'm making a line over here. Please see this. Just randomly I made a line over here. Pay attention, please. And now this angle, I'm making it as X. I'm marking it as X. Can I say this is between green and blue? Can you see this? Green and blue. So can I say exactly opposite to this X will be this angle Y? See this, please. This is green color. This is blue color. This X and Y are exactly opposite to each other. So they are called vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. Students. So here I will say angle X is equal to angle Y. Vertically opposite angles. Understanding, please? Okay. Similarly, here also I can see something. If I call this angle, for example, as alpha, anything I took. So iska exactly सामने वाला, this angle, if I call it as beta, okay, alpha, beta, gamma are the chemistry normally used in chemistry, Greek symbols. Okay, if I call this as any symbol as alpha, if I call this as beta, these two angles are also equal, vertically opposite to each other, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically, see this, vertically opposite, blue line, red line, exactly equal. So also I'll write over here also angle alpha is equal to angle beta. Okay, these are just the names, huh? If you don't like this alpha and beta, you can give some other names also, P and Q. Okay, you can call this as P, you can call this as Q. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are always equal. Next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles in Hindi I will say बाजू बाजू वाले angles, neighbor वाले angle. हिंदी में बाजू बाजू वाले angles, ठीक है? And I'm not saying they are equal. I'm not saying they are equal. Adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? AOD. So BOD will be adjacent angle. See the diagram. AOD. So BOD. The idea is one arm should be common between them. ये OD common है. Okay, and they both should have common point. AOD, BOD. Angle AOD and angle BOD. There are many. Okay, see here. Okay, now COP and AOP. O is common. और ये OP वाला जो है, OP लाइन ये common है दोनों में. See here, AOP, COP. AOP and angle COP. Okay, so like this we are having. Okay, over here complementary angles are not equal. Complementary angles are those angles whose addition is 90 degree. Supplementary angles are those angles whose additions are 180 degree. Okay, sum of all the angles on straight line are equal. Only in vertically opposite angles we say if the given two angles are vertically opposite, we say that they are equal. Equal का concept we have only with the vertically opposite angles, and these are adjacent angles, बाजू बाजू वाले angles. That's it. They are not equal. Okay, this is very important, students. Now how will you do it? In your notebook, first you will draw the diagram, a big diagram, and then you will write everything. Please pause the video, all of you, and do it first. Okay, please pay attention. Based on what we did in a mind map in the revision, let's see a very simple question, question number 11 of your textbook. Answer the following using each of the given figures. First we'll be doing A, so I'll just speak about the A part, then we'll come to over here. Okay, which of the following is complementary to angle 1? And so two questions are given. Let me first complete the diagram. I have not completed the diagram. Okay, so first I'm doing this A part for A, then we'll come to this B one. Okay, now it's mentioned to me over here that see what's given to me here. A box is drawn like this. That means this is 90 degree. Okay, and here it's written 4, 5. This complete is 6. This is 1. This is 2. Okay, this complete is 3. So it's like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is mentioned to me. That's it. Now listen here, please listen here. Can I say, students, before starting with anything, can I say, students, I'll with the red color, if I highlight this, can you see this red color line? This is the straight line. Okay, can you see here now, all of you, because this is a straight line and it's given to me, see this is 90 degrees. This box means it's 90 degree. So this 4 and 5 ka addition is 90 degree. So can I say this also will be 90 degree? Why? Because sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. See, this red color was a straight line. So this, if this is 90, this also becomes 90. Okay. Now, all of you, see, I have not read anything. I'm just explaining you. Now see this with the, see my pen, please. With the blue color, I'm highlighting it now. Not with the red color, with the blue color. Can I say, students, this angle is exactly opposite to this angle? Angle 3 के exact opposite में है angle 6. So if angle 3 is 90 degree, angle 6 will also be 90 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, ये 4 और 5 मिला के 90 है, तो 1 और 2 मिला के भी 90 हो गए, तो ये भी 90 होगा. Vertically opposite angle, आमने सामने के angles equal होते हैं. Okay? So now we got to know कि angle 3 की value कितनी है? 90 degree. Basic things you should know. It can be asked. Angle 3 की value कितनी है? 90 degree. Okay? Angle 6 की value कितनी है? 90 degree. Okay. Now please see angle 1 and 2 मिला के ने addition of angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degree. See here, 1 and 2 मिला के 90 है. Similarly here angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. 4 plus 5 मिला के 90 degree है. These things are not needed. यहाँ पूछा नहीं है, but I am explaining you. You also should know this. Okay. Which angle is complementary to angle 1? Angle 1 का complementary क्या है? Angle 1 के साथ में एक ऐसा angle जो add करेंगे angle 1 से, and answer should be 90 degree. Can I say 1 and 2? Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 90 degree. So which angle is complementary to angle 1? Answer is angle 2. Okay, answer is angle 2. Okay, next question. Find the angle that is vertically opposite to angle 3. Angle 3 के exactly vertically opposite में क्या है? Angle 6. 3 के opposite में क्या है? Angle 6. So answer is angle 6. Okay, understanding please? It's very important. Okay, let's come to this sub question B. Let me complete the diagram. I have not completed the diagram yet. Okay, see here please. Okay, they have named this line over here is QH. Okay, pay attention please. QH. This middle is O, this is R, this is N, this is L, and this is P. Okay, and please pay attention here. It's mentioned over here that this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now students, pay attention before starting with the question. I am not reading anything over here. Pay attention. Can I say like this, that ROH, ये ROH का, see this, ROH का vertically opposite है ये वाला part. ROH का vertically opposite है QON, and vertically opposite angles are equal, so this also becomes 90 degree. Okay. Now if I keep my hand over here, this QH is a straight line. Do you all accept this? This QH is a straight line. So sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So अगर ROH is 90 degree, so ROQ has to be 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. Similarly, if I keep my hand over here, QH is a straight line. QON is 90 degree. So HON को भी 90 होना पड़ेगा, because sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So this will also be 90 degree. These things you should know, students. Okay. Now what is asked over here? Which angle is complementary? Which angle is complementary to ROL? Okay, first sub question, ROL. So angle complementary. I'm doing the first sub question. Angle complementary to ROL is ROL, ऐसा कौन सा एंगल है जो ROL के साथ में ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर शुड बी 90 डिग्री बिकॉज यूर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री 90 डिग्री मतलब. ओके, which angle if I add with ROL it becomes 90 degree. ROL is this, see here please, ROL is this, ROL is this. Which angle can I add with ROL so that 90 हो जाएगा? देखो ये 90 होता है, so ROL should be added with this angle, then only it will become 90 degree. So what's the name? LOH. Okay, so answer angle complementary to ROL is angle LOH. Angle LOH. You can also write HOL. Okay, next now, next part. Which angle is complementary to ROL and supplementary to POH? Now supplementary means 180 degree is the keyword. Okay, so angle, please pay attention now, angle supplementary to angle POH is POH, supplementary to angle POH. Where is POH? Please see, hunt for POH. POH, pay attention students. Now with the black color I am doing, see this is my P, can you all see this? POH, this is my angle. With the black color, please see the pen. This is my POH, this is P, this is O, and this is H. With the black color I have highlighted POH, this is angle POH. Supplementary मतलब what is the angle, वो कौन सा angle है? When I add that angle with POH, the answer should be 180 degree. Of course, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. Sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree on a straight line. So POH, when added, this POH, it will be added with this angle, then only it will be a 180 degree. So what is the name of this angle? QOP. Only this piece is remaining. Summation of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. So POH is this much. Well, if I add this QOP, then only it will be 180 degree. Okay, so answer is angle QOP. You can also write as POQ also. Okay students, so pause the video please. This should be solved on one page, this on the other page. First the diagram, the minimum height should be 7 lines, and use the entire way. At the center of the page you draw the diagram and do it please. And this was not asked, this things was not asked, but you do it please. You should know these facts. Okay, do it fast.